Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. You are watching YouTube and Facebook channels of Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi, and I'm covering lecture number 11 of Software Design Pattern course. In my last video, I was covering about the abstract factory pattern. So I'm just doing the revision of abstract factory so we can understand the complete code for the abstract factory. So we have the client is using interfaces to access the products, and we have abstract factory interface to access the concrete classes of factory X and factory Y. Factory X is creating product AX and X is creating product BX, and then Y is creating AY and Y is creating product BY. So that is our UML. These are the main classes we are going to deal. We have abstract class degree, we have abstract class diploma, we have IT degree, extends degree, we have CS degree, extends degree, IT diploma, extends diploma, CS diploma, extends diploma, and then abstract factory interface, and then we have IT course factory implements the abstract factory interface, and CS course factory implementing the abstract factory interface, and then we have the main method abstract factory demo. So we have our first abstract class degree.java. So we have the package and abstract class degree, int fee, int duration, I declare the data, and then I have abstract method abstract void compute, and then I close the abstract class. That is about degree.java. Then I have diploma.java, another abstract class diploma, int fee, int duration, and then abstract void compute, I declare compute method, and then I close the diploma abstract class. So abstract class has abstract method void compute. That is about diploma.java. Then I am defining my IT degree.java concrete class which extends the degree, and I have a constructor public IT degree, duration is equal to 4, fee is equal to 3000. I close the constructor. So I have constructor public IT degree, duration is equal to 4, fee is equal to 3000. I close the constructor. Then I override method, which is the abstract method in the abstract class. Now I have the concrete method public void compute system.out.print to write the body of the compute method. The IT degree fee is duration multiplied by fee, and then the Saudi Riyal concatenation character as a string. IT diploma.java. So we have same package abstract factory demo, public class IT diploma extends diploma, and you have constructor IT diploma public, duration is equal to 3, fee is equal to 5000, and we override compute method from the diploma and system.out.print the IT diploma fee is duration multiplied by fee. We close the method and we close the class. So we have CS degree.java, public class CS degree extends degree, constructor CS degree, duration is equal to 4, fee is equal to 6000, override compute method and system.out.print the CS degree is duration multiplied by fee, and then concatenation character Saudi Riyal. We close the method, we close the class. CS diploma.java. So we have same package abstract factory demo, public class CS diploma extends diploma, and then we have constructor CS diploma, duration is equal to 3, fee is equal to 8000. We override the compute method from the diploma and system.out.print the CS diploma fee is duration multiplied by fee in Saudi Riyal. We close the method, we close the class. Now we move to abstract factory interface, abstract factory dot Java. So we have abstract factory Java interface, it's not class, public degree, calculate total fee, public diploma, calculate total fee. For degree, total is capital with T. But in diploma, the calculate total, the T is small. So the method is with small t, total. Calculate is same, fee is same, only the difference in total t. And you close the abstract factory interface. Then I move to IT course factory. Public class IT course factory implements the interface abstract factory, and we override the degree calculate total fee method and return new IT degree. And we override public diploma, calculate total fee, return new IT diploma. So we close the method, we close the class. Then we move to CS course factory. Now we have public class CS course factory, computer science course factory implements abstract factory interface. We override method, public degree calculate total fee, return new CS degree. And return new CS degree, close the method. Then override public diploma, calculate total fee, return new CS diploma. So new CS degree, new CS diploma. We close the method, we close the class. The main abstract factory demo .java. So we have import java.utility.scanner. Now I'm using, instead of IO, I'm using utility.scanner. Then public class abstract factory demo, public static void main, string arguments, and then abstract factory, the factory, degree, capital degree has degree, diploma has diploma. Then I declare string program name, program empty, system.out.print, enter program name to know the fee, and try block, scanner object is equal to new scanner system.in, and then program is equal to scanner.next. If program dot equals ignore case IT, then factory is equal to new IT course factory, degree is equal to factory dot calculate total fee, degree dot compute, diploma is equal to factory dot calculate total fee, diploma dot compute, and then else if program dot equals ignore case CS, factory is equal to new CS factory, and then same degree is equal to factory dot calculate total fee, degree dot compute, diploma is equal to factory dot calculate total fee, diploma dot compute, and then we close if structure, we close the method, we close the class, and else if system not supported. So we have if structure for IT and for CS objects, and then we are dealing with the factory IT degree program and IT diploma program. Then for the course object, course degree program, course diploma program. Now we have the output of abstract factory demo. Enter program name to know the fee. Like I try for CS, you can enter for IT as well. The degree CS degree fee is 24,000, CS diploma fee is 24,000. You can try for IT as well. So that's our first example of abstract factory. Thank you very much. Love you. Take care. Stay blessed, healthy and happy. See you inshallah in the next lecture. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice holiday. Assalamu alaikum.